Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Charlotte Tilbury has launched, I think yesterday, her Exagger Eyes Easy Eyeshadow Stick. So I picked up two shades. I have the Satin Glow in shade Ballet Quartz, so the satiny like shimmery finish. And I have Cashmere Sculpt, that is a blurring matte finish. I do have a few other pieces to try on with you. Chanel Le Beige, this is the Water Fresh blush. I have shade Warm Pink. I have a new lipstick at Victoria Beckham. I ordered two different lipsticks, and this one is shade Smile. The new eyeshadow stick at Charlotte Tilbury are meant to be very easy to apply, crease proof, waterproof, and they are self-priming, a Dream Glide formula with high impact color, so that means the payoff should be really good. And you have 12 flattering shades with two different finishes, the matte and blur to sculpt, and Satin Glow to highlight your eyes. I'm gonna swatch them before I apply them onto my eyes. So let's go with the Cashmere matte shade. Ooh, it does pull a little bit warm. It's meant to be a neutral taupe shade, but I think it does pull a little bit warm. And the other shade, that is that Frosty Pink. Oh, that's actually really pretty. It's very metallic-y. Does not pull warm. So these are the two shades that I have. And let's try to smudge them. Ooh. They smudge really, really nicely. Very easy to blend. But the neutral shade of Cashmere, I think, pulls definitely a little bit more warm than a proper true neutral shade. I don't think I have seen, I'm gonna double check, I don't think I have seen a shade that is a true cool tone. There's the Nude Sculpt, that is a light cool nude, but it's very light. The rest of them, you've got a Tawny Rose, a warm caramel, soft Bordeaux, and rich cocoa. And the other shades are all a little bit more warm. So I think if you have a cool undertone, you might struggle to find something that has a proper cool undertone. Go ahead and try the Exagger Eyes and Cashmere Sculpt. They are made in Italy, and the shelf life is sadly only 6 months. I mirror here, and then let's apply this shade more into the outer corner or edge of my eye, like this. If you're new to my channel, know that the background behind me is not my usual background. We've just moved, and well, it's chaos in the house. Makeup is my therapy because I will honestly otherwise lose my mind. So I'm taking a little bit of time for me doing my makeup, and happy days. This pen is just Glide. It's beautiful. It doesn't crease, it doesn't sit in the fine lines. It's very, very soft. The payoff is amazing. I can't find anything negative to say about this eyeshadow stick. The shade pulls a little bit warm, but I do like how it looks onto me. It's so easy to blend. You barely have, like, it requires minimal effort. Like, minimal effort. It's a beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow stick, and you know, it sets completely, and that's it. You know, if you're in a hurry, that is a fantastic product. I love how it glides, and this shade is blurring as well. I think this is a great product, especially on the days where a little bit short on time. Yeah, this is really, really nice. I was a little bit skeptical, and that's it. Once it's there, it's set. It doesn't move, and see, not a single crease. It doesn't sit in the line. Ooh, that is really interesting. Let's try the other shade. I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner of the eye, kind of layer them a little bit together. It is absolutely beautiful. It layers beautifully because the other shade has dry and set completely. It doesn't turn muddy, and you truly see the two shades. If I come quite close. This is nice, guys. As I said, I think I was a little bit skeptical or doubtful. I feel like sometimes there's a lot of promises and the product, you know, delivers a few ones but rarely ticks all the boxes. But as far as an eyeshadow stick goes, super easy to apply. The color payoff is great. Doesn't sit in the fine line. It doesn't turn muddy. You know, you blend it. Easy to blend. The two colors are, you can actually see the two shades. This is great. I think the only caveat is the shelf life is only 6 months, which is quite short. And definitely if you are looking for a matte blurring eyeshadow stick in a cool tone, cool undertone, you're going to be very, very limited because they do all tend to be pulling quite warm. I think, you know, this is supposed to be a neutral shade, and I think even onto me it does look somewhat warm, but it, you know, it does make my blue eyes pop as well. So, but yeah, I'm quite, the texture, the formula, it just glides on, it grips beautifully, doesn't sit, doesn't crease. That's gorgeous. I've added just a little bit of mascara, and guys, so this is the swatch I had on my hand. Once it dries, it doesn't move. Blurring, it's self-setting, I am really, really happily surprised. This is great. I think for me, they're very close to the new Dior eyeshadow stick. I think the shades are somewhat different. I think Dior has maybe something that pops a little bit more. And I feel like the pigment at Dior might be even better. But then the rest, once it's onto your eyes, they're both very, very good. Right, let's apply some blush. Let's go with the Chanel Le Water Fresh blush. The shade that I have is Warm Pink. Got a Chanel brush here. It's a very soft blush. The main ingredient is water, so it just kind of melts onto your skin and it gives you a beautiful flush of color. I do like this shade, and I also have the peachy shade. And once it sets, it dries completely, and it just gives you that kind of glowy, very well hydrated, plump look. It is gorgeous. Yeah, that's a beautiful blush. I'm going to set with Les Météorites just a few areas on to the face, so mainly, you know, the T-zone. My foundation is Luminous Silk from Armani, but the older version, which I do prefer. And that's it. So I'm not gonna touch here. I want to keep that beautiful glow. I'm going to add just a little bit of bronzer, and I'm gonna go with the Chanel Le Beige. I have shade medium rose gold. Just a little bit, you know, forehead. Warm up the complexion just a little bit. Ooh, it's tying up really nicely. I have to say, this bronzer at Chanel that is now part of the permanent collection is definitely one of my favorite. It's been around for quite some time. I have two shades and I just love them. I just love how versatile they are. You can create, you know, you can use all the shades together, separate. I just really, really like this bronzer. I also picked up the Posh, what's it called? Posh Lip at Victoria Beckham. She has released 3 new shades. This is not a new shade. I picked up the shade Smile, that is a light peach nude shade. I think I'm having a moment for like a nude lip because the shade I picked up at Burberry is also a nude lip, and it's my first time using the Posh lipstick, and look at how beautiful this is. Oh, I think it's gonna match perfectly to this look. I have lined up my lip just a little bit with my Makeup Forever Artist pencil in the shade Endless Cacao. Ooh, this is really nice. It does make me think of the shade Versatile at Chanel. Ooh, I like this. Obviously, it's a very light shade. So if you have a dark lip, it might not be the best shade for you. I do like a light nude lip every now and then, and I think this shade is gorgeous. It's a pleasant surprise. I really like this. Very comfortable onto the lips, and also it doesn't sit into the fine lines. You know what? Every time I've tried Victoria Beckham beauty product, every single time I've been just wowed, and always delivers. It's always really high quality. I think it's kind of that quiet luxury brand, like overall brand, even her clothing brand. Yeah, this is really nice. It's very light. It doesn't feel sticky. It just feels like you're wearing a little bit of a lip balm. I like how it's satin finish. It's kind of giving you a little bit of a shine. That is it on today's makeup look. I feel like I'm having a moment for something a little bit more light, a little bit more fresh face kind of look. I think it's just because it's been so warm outside here in the UK. We've been having like 35 degrees Celsius, which is not normal for here. So I just think I'm having that fresh face, light makeup. I really, really like this. Everything will be listed down below for your convenience with an affiliated link. Also, don't forget to follow me on social. I know I say that, and I've not been the most active on social. The house move has taken over my whole life in the past few weeks. I'll make sure everything I am wearing on today's look is listed for your convenience. I now need to go pick up baby girl, who's decided that today she is not sleeping. So I've been hearing her we're doing quiet times. So she just goes into bed and she reads her book. She usually sleeps for like an hour and just over an hour. Today she's not sleeping. I guess we're gonna go vacuum the house together, you know, doing the chores together. She absolutely loves it. Anyway, that is it for me on today's video, guys. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.